All right, good morning, guys. We got several different pre-market runners, all a little bit higher price. KNDI with a pretty nice rip so far. EDSA looks like this got halted already, maybe? Yeah, this is halted. And they filed an application for their phase 2-3 of COVID something. We got Kodak that's on this trend line here. Kodak may try to keep moving. We'll see. Huge is sold off a whole lot. BL and K popping up at the bell. That's selling off. CBAT. The SPY did have a dip overnight. Looks like it's trying to rebound now, but it looks like there's not any really lower price stocks today that could make a move. So maybe huge. Everybody hit sell, yeah. Yeah, I don't know. It's this pre-market's been wonky. I already took a loss this morning, so I'm a little bit cautious, but yeah, the SBPH is the one I took a loss on. I took a pretty significant loss on this. I was up real early, saw this initial rip and saw it pull back here. And I got in on this candle. It was just a bad trade. It wasn't a pattern or anything. I was just looking for a rebound and for it to keep the momentum, but it didn't. It just died off. So I took a pretty good loss there. But I still have some funds left, so I'm still looking for another trade to maybe make up some of that loss. Yeah. I mean, so far today, I'm not seeing anything real mind-blowingly amazing or anything. Like, I don't want to jump in anything at this point. Everything's, I want to keep an eye on Kodak, but nervous to play Kodak because of how high it's up, or how high it is up. I don't know. I can't speak. Let's see here. But if a pattern presents itself, or a good setup or something, then I'll look to take a trade. But so far, so BL and K was some decent PR here. Move this. I don't know what that's for. Good morning, guys. What's up? Well, let's see here. Huge starting to pop up a little bit. CBAT. No PR on this. This is starting to pop up a little bit here. The only problem is there's no PR on it, but maybe there might be something here. Let's see. If 120 starts breaking, I may go. There's definitely some selling pressure here at 120. I'm gonna go. Starting to break through 120 here. Let's see how much this can run. 125 is gonna be some resistance too, so let's see. It may get hung up there. I don't know. We'll see. And there's definitely some sellers at 125. And they're getting taken out though. Yeah, very nice. Here we go. Nice little move up so far. A little selling at 128. I see a pullback below 125. Big buyer at 122 trying to hold this up. Still struggling with 125 though. Needs to break over 125 and then I have room to 130. Big seller starting to get taken out though. We have a little pullback here. I want 115 to hold up as support. That's about as low as I'll hold this. So popping back over 120 here. And there's a lot of pressure in this 120, 125 area. I don't know if this is going to be able to break any more than this or not. Got 3 minutes on this candle though. want to see it start getting back towards 125 though here real soon. If not, it's not going to break. It needs to push up. A little bit of selling at 123. They're getting taken out though. Here we go, pushing back up over 125, so we're looking alright now. Decent sized buyers coming in over 125. See if we can get through 130. Oh, right through 130. Oh, nope, 130 held up. A lot of the selling got taken out at 130, but another big buyer at 128. He got taken out though. 125 trying to hold his support now, which we want to see. That got taken out too. This is a little bit of a battle right now. But it is pushing up. Good volume so far on these candles. 2 candles over 1 million on the 5 minute. I want to see this candle close over 125. It's trying. Yeah, there it goes. It did close over 125. So let's see if buyers start to come in and push this up some more. Having a pullback here. Pretty strong pullback. Just looking at the 1 minute where these bottoms are hitting at. I really don't want it to push below 117. But it really needs to get over 125 and start holding 125 at this point. Let's see something. Where's the top of that? 132. Yep. Okay. We are getting buyers trying to keep it above the 9 EMA. $122, decent buyer there. Let's see if that can get some buyers in here to push this up some more. See if we can get another leg up after this consolidation. Got a minute for this candle to close. You see on the 1 minute chart, 117 is held up for the past 10 minutes. So see what happens on this next candle. If it doesn't start breaking out on this next candle, start pushing up over 130 on the next candle, it may not be able to, may not do anything. This may be it. So we got this little flag going on here. We've not had any buying volume in a while. If buying volume doesn't come in here soon, then I don't think this is going to get it. Yeah, I just cracked 115. Oh, let's see, 115 is trying to hold up. One 15 starting to be resistance. Yeah, this is about to crack. I think it looks like it's going to crack. See, 113 is trying to hold. Put a stop loss at 111 here. See if this trend line holds up. If it doesn't, if it cracks below that and I get stopped out, I get stopped out. I'm not going to hold this much longer. So we got a minute for this candle to close. Let's see if we can at least close back over 115. Yeah, I'm just looking at the 1 minute on the volume. Like, our buying volume has died off a lot. We were getting some nice big green volume bars, and now they're just slowly fading off. Well, that's not where the trend line is then. Trying to figure out if there's a little bit of a trend line starting to form. Oh, nice buyer came in at 115. So maybe 115 will start acting as some support. Let's see what else is going on. KNDO, I sold off. Kodak, Kraken, EDSA is alright. Huge, not doing much. BL&K selling off. QLGN, Mara's alright. So not really too much else going on right now. PEIX. This looks interesting. It's got to break 225. No PR, but let's see. Decent size float. I'm gonna go here on this. Just 50 shares real quick. CBAT's still floating around, but this looks like this is trying to pop here. 245 was the high of the year, though. I didn't look at that. I'm messed up here. We'll see. I mean, I got too gung-ho on this pattern here. This is a good looking pattern though. $260. Okay. I'm a little gung-ho today, it seems. Oh, I can't put a stop loss in this. Okay. Well, see, CBAT's up to 120 again, so I have to hop back over there, but I can't put a stop loss on in on this. Let's see this. See, this candle's got a minute and a half to close. See if it can close over 225, and then I'll hop back over to CBAT. I'm starting to pop up a little bit here, though. 230. Trying to push over 230. CBAT at 120. Here we go, starting to pop up some more, up to 235. Good volume on this. CBAT's back down to 117. Don't pull back below 220. Oh, this is pulling back down below 225. This may start cracking. This candle needs to close over 225, and it didn't, so that's a little sketchy. Let's see if it starts pushing up, though. It should be. This should be where it starts breaking out if it's going to. A little sketchy. This So we got a flag here. Where's CBAT? CBAT still hasn't broke yet. It's consolidating some more, but if it doesn't start pushing up soon, it's gonna die off. Oh shit, what was that I was trading? Oh, here it is. I forgot what this stock was for a minute. Oh, that could have been bad. Let me put this on the watch list so I don't forget it again. This is why I normally don't go 2 stocks at once. Trying to keep up with 2 of them at once is tricky. Yeah, I just got CBAT just cracked, so I took a loss there. Just got stopped out on it. And if this doesn't press up, I may take a loss on it too. What's the SPY doing? SPY's dropping pretty hard. Yeah, that could be a problem. You're saying in the brackets I can still put a stop loss in this? Why would it let me do it there but not let me do it on the AT ladder? I might have to look into that. I don't know. This needs to break back over 225 here real soon. I don't know. It's starting to look like CBAT. Volume's dying off on this one too. Could be because the SPY is dropping. He's really losing. There's some volume here. I mean, this is a nice flag, but if volume doesn't come in, then it's not going to do anything. You just see it on the 1 minute how much volume has died off just in the last couple of minutes. There it goes. Now it's starting to break through 225 again. Let's see if we can get through 230. It's having a lot of issues in the 230 area as well. Damn, I can't even hold over 225. Without any volume, this isn't going to do anything. If this flag cracks here, this is going to be it. It looks like it's... this flag is getting close to cracking. Got a minute for this candle to close. See, what day was this? This is the 4th day, so no. Okay, pushing back over 225 again finally. So we are popping up out of this flag at the moment. Let's see, hold on. If I draw the top of this on the 1 minute, it's more like right here. Actually, no, we're still kind of in the flag because on the 1 minute this high was up here. Now it looks like it may be cracking below. Yeah, I'm about to get out if this cracks 220. Oh, crack 220 there. Yeah, I'm getting out. So, just nothing doing anything. Yeah, CBAT just sold off. Everything just selling off. Give me just a second, guys. Alright, so let's see. TO. Yeah, you want to count the wicks of the candles. Like, see on PEIX, I had it drawn on the 5 minute. Normally I look at the 5 minute pattern more, but this was responding. See that wick right there is at the very top. Let's see. USGD plunges 32%. Ooh, that's rough. Yeah, that could be an issue. See, let me look at TAOP. Oh yeah, nice little move here, nice little U-shape break of that pre-market high. Looks like it may start flagging. Let's see. Anything else that sold off? Kodak's still trying to hold up in there. Yeah, one life is right about being patient. I should have been more patient in this market because it is not clear cut. TAOP is the only thing that looks like it's doing anything. Let's see. TTEA. So yeah, it got a little flag on TAOP. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. So PEIX got me. Got me on this little wick. Looked like it was gonna crack, but now it's pushing up. Yeah, it's all at the 235 now. Oh, that little wick got me. Let's see if TAOP is going to break out of this flag or not. This is rough because this is a pretty big flag. The bottom right now is at 650 and the top is around 7 something. So it looks like, was it 737? Yeah, so if this breaks over 735, it probably can start moving up again. Well, there you go, Epic. Three green days. That's good. Yeah, especially in a market like today so far. Kind of want to lock in profits pretty quick when you have them. Look at this. PIX is probably going to try to test that high a day and high a year here soon. The way it's pushing up. Unfortunate I got stopped out on that. Well, yeah, on that tail end there. Hey, no problem, David. Good job, man. Nice win on TAOP. That was a good rip so far on it. It may have another leg up. It's consolidating right now in this triangle. See EDSA. No, it's not popping back up. Huge is doing nothing. Take that off my watch list. Take CBAT off. That's just dropping down. QLGN. That Merit looks ugly. It starts popping over 715. It's right across the tops of these candles here. If it pops over 715, it's probably going to break. See, it came close. Let's see how close did it come. It came to 710. Looks like it may crack here. Drops below 650. Anything else happening? Whew. Yeah, this GDP drop is really dropping the market pretty hard. $319.25 is the low of this 5-day period. So that's probably going to be some support. It's trying to hold up there. Sketchy market today. Ooh, just cracked 650. So starting to crack that triangle here, and it probably come all the way back down to the 9, which is at 567, and then maybe even lower that pre-market high of 520. It's definitely rolling over here. You can see already dropping below 6. Sketchy play. PIX still hasn't broke out yet. Move that. Yes, I came right down to the 9. 6 trying to hold up as a little bit of support here, but Oh, it's odd that TAOP didn't have any volume in pre-market. The PR was out way back here. And I got a little pop right there at 820. This didn't even show up on my scanner. I didn't see this at all because there was no volume. ADMA, what's ADMA doing here? ADMA. Yeah, this is a nice little pop so far. Cracking below pre-market support. Any let's see. It's an interesting press release. Yeah, ugly day today. It's just not a good day. But we don't have very good market conditions. SPY's trying to hold up though. It didn't drop through that 319 area. At least yet, anyway. See, TAOP bouncing off of the 9 EMA and starting to try to break above this downtrend here. Alright, man. Have a good one, Epic. Nice job this week. I know you've been doing pretty good, so good job, man. Have a great day. Oh, big buyer just came in there at 670, pushing this up. So yeah, breaking this downtrend, it's pushing up over 715. Woo! I'm out of funds myself, but that would have been a good little play right there. Good bounce off of the 9 and $6. Did anybody get that? Did anybody get that little downtrend break there? On TAOP. Woo! Man, if anybody did get it, you're sitting pretty right now. That was a nice rip all the way up to 780 out of nowhere. Nice quick pop. This is going to probably run now. $8 is acting as some resistance, but I'm trying to get over 8 there. Ooh, nasty. Did anybody get that? Did anybody get this break on the Dellinger in here? I hope somebody did. I mean, this was such a nice play here. And this is why you gotta be patient. Everything was looking real sketchy there for a while. I shouldn't have been jumping into anything until I saw something clear cut like this. Getting halted. It's halted there. I hope somebody got that, because that's a nice move. Off of the 9 there at $6. This is a $2.50 move so far out of it. And it's halted right now, so it's probably going to be a little bit more if it gaps up out of the halt. One Life, please tell me you got it. I don't think anything else is gonna happen. No, I mean, David, you did good, man. You got a good move. You don't beat yourself up. You never know how far a stock is gonna keep ripping. I mean, you made a good profit, and that's all that matters. Because if you had more funds, you could have got back in right here at this break. So nobody got this at the trend line break here, though. Nobody got this move right here. How's PEIX doing? Well, PEIX got all the way up to 243. Pull back down to the 9 now, but it did get up to where I was looking for it. Just got me out on a stupid little wick. It's ought to be almost unhalted soon. I want to see where this goes out of this halt. Yeah, we'll see what this does out of this halt, and then I'm probably going to call it a day because I don't have any more funds. And it is a bit of a sketchy day. Look at that, PRPO with a rip out of nowhere. Oh, let's see, PRPO just came out with PR, and this is halted. Okay. Wait, how long has this been halted for? Huh, this is a long halt on PRPO. I'm going to put it up here on the watch list because it is. It did pop up with this late PR at 9:15, commercial launch of the COVID-19 antibody test. But boy, it's been halted for a while. Let me take that off. ELP still halted. That's not going to do anything. That's not even close to that downtrend. Okay, let's see. TAP is unhalted all the way up to 924. Probably going to have a pullback here. Yeah, there comes the pullback. That was a nice trend reversal there. And you even got a little decent gap up out of the halt. It's pushing back up a little bit. Oh, this might start going crazy again. Oh yeah, it is. Oh, I don't. Ooh, this is all over the place. This went up to 950 and back below 9 within a split second. There it goes. All the way up to 980. This is getting crazy. This might be a crazy ripper if it rips over 10. I don't know, 10 should be strong resistance, but it's really hard to say. I mean, Kodak went on a nasty run. MNOV went on a nasty run this week. That's ripping over 10 right now. Trying to, up to 1018. Woohoo! This is all over the place. I would not want to touch this at the moment. There's 2 entries on this. First entry would have been the break right here, the break of this U shape. Second entry, break of this downtrend. Anything after that, you're playing with fire, unless another setup happens. But I mean, this is a pretty nasty rip as it is. This stock was $2 in pre-market, so that's an $8 move. PRPO still halted. How much has this got? This might start moving again here. Look on the 1 minute. It's trying to push over. It's trying to push over 1030, but getting held up there. And it's kind of flagging. Break of 1030, it might start running again. Especially if $10 starts holding that support. Yeah, it's getting, you can see it on the 1 minute clearly. It's getting held up at 1030 pretty hard. Oh, there goes the crack. So 1030 is where it got strong resistance at. This could be it for this stock. I mean, this is a nice move. So you haven't had a pullback in a little while either. It may pull back down to the 9 again. And if the 9 holds up, it may get another move up. What is going on with PRPO? Why is this halted so long for? This has been halted for, what, 25 minutes? Doesn't make any sense. PIX isn't doing anything. So let's see, anything anywhere else? ADMA dying off. So yeah, TALP is the only thing that's moving up. Or that was moving up. Well, alright guys, I'm going to call it a day. Appreciate everybody joining me. Hopefully nobody had too rough of a day today. I know I did. It's a pretty rough day for me, but that's alright. We'll make it back. But yeah, you guys have a great rest of your day. Stay safe out there. Until next time.